Love your life more in an elegant home built by Signature Home Builders. Quail Crossings is the perfect neighborhood located in Northeast Bend. Northwest Custom Designed Homes by Mark Miller offer customization with high-end finishes. Exterior finishes include all double-wall construction, spacious covered patios, open-beamed entries, and large lots with RV parking, quiet streets and cul-de-sacs. Settle in to the personalized luxury and elegant finishes that adorn the custom designs for Signature Homes builder houses. Professional interior designs offer upscale home finishes. Cabinetry is custom designed using the finest wood. Solid surface granite or quartz counters with full height tile backsplashes. Upgraded stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantries, mud set tile showers, hand-troweled walls, Milgard lifetime guaranteed windows with wood or paint grade wrapped windows. The home is heated with a high efficiency Lennox gas furnace and air conditioned for comfortable living year round. Put your signature on the finishing touches of an elegant Signature home and make it your special place to live and love life more. Quail Crossings borders Rock Ridge City Park, which boasts 36 acres of natural landscape with signature Central Oregon high desert lava rock outcrops. Adjacent to Lava Ridge Elementary and Skyview Middle School. The Deschutes River meanders through Old Mill District, offering countless outdoor activities, hip shopping, restaurants, the amphitheater, walking trails, and places to float the river. Live the Central Oregon lifestyle with Bend, Oregon's beautiful mountain views, rivers, lakes, hiking, and biking. Love your life more in an elegant home built by Signature Home Builders.